Hey there, A Block. Let's go over what we're doing this week while you are all remote. So, on Monday, like we're going to talk about in our Google Meet session, you guys are going to be working on your review sheet in the second half of the day. Cohort 1, you guys have a quiz on Tuesday, and Cohort 2, your quiz is on Wednesday. It's going to be over all of the causes of the French Revolution. And feel free to go back and look at any of the other materials that we've worked on, such as the Three Estates, if you want to read about Marie Antoinette, watch that oversimplified, or even visit that crash course. If you are in cohort 1, when you are home on Wednesday, you are all going to be reading the Declaration of Rights of Man and the Citizen and analyzing that document using some questions and some independent thinking that should be prompted by this groundbreaking document in French history. Cohort 1, when you're home again on Friday, you guys will be getting a paper in class about creating evidence against the king, because next week we are going to put our king and queen on trial. So you'll be doing that. There won't be a digital assignment for that because it is something that you will physically be making. Cohort 2, you will be just reviewing for your quiz on Tuesday, and on Thursday, you guys will also be making evidence for the king or against the king, depending on what side you're on, and we'll be preparing for our trial in the following week. So you'll find some of the assignments here under classwork, depending on what you're doing, and the rest of us will be working in class. If you have any emails, let me know. Have a great week.